Hello, hi, and welcome to Food Tip for a Day. I am Dr. Mr. Kitchen. I got myself ready for something tasty. What about you? You do? Well, it's my all-time favorite recipe, raw squirrel's heads. Oh, shut up. Don't. Hey, lock the door, Pete. Sit back down. I know what you're thinking. He must be crazy if you think I'm gonna slave over a hot stove. What are you, deaf? I said raw squirrel's heads. It's easy. Easy as raw squirrel's heads. All you have to do is go out into your neighborhood park. Find yourself a park bench and park it. Then you just wait there a minute, and next thing you know, a squirrel will come up to you. So I want you to reach in your pocket and pull out some of those whole wheat bread crumbs and place them in your left hand. Now don't be dumb. Now listen to me while I'm talking to you. Make sure of two things. They must be whole wheat bread crumbs, and you must hold them in your left hand. 'Cause if you don't, the squirrels, well, they won't come. They dumb and stupid and everything, but hey, they know whole wheat from white bread, I'm telling you. And they know your left hand from your right hand. Besides, you're gonna need your right hand, because I want you to say to this squirrel, "Hey, squirrel, how you doing? How you doing, squirrel? Come here for a moment, would you?" And he will. Then, when the squirrel get close to you, and they kind of dumb, so they gonna come right up to you, I want you to take your hand and put it down there with those whole wheat crumbs I said, and the squirrel, he'll come right up and start to munch. Now, while he's munching on the breadcrumbs, I want you to slowly, now I said slowly now, take your right hand, slip it behind his neck, and just twist that old head off. You might want to shake it a little bit to get some of the blood off of it, right? Then pop it in your mouth. Wait a minute. Oh, wait a minute. I forgot something very important, very important. You might want to pop the eyeballs out first. I know you like that. That's the best part. But, hey, it's too salty and we must watch our sodium intake. Isn't that right? Of course it's right. So pop the eyeballs out. Oh, you might want to bring a little ketchup or Tabasco sauce or what they hear sauce to kill the taste of the blood, you know. And then you just pop it in your mouth, chew it around a little bit and swallow it. And there you have it, a tasty treat that's highly nutritious and full of protein. So, and that's my food tip for today. So y'all tune in to me, Dr. Mr. Kitchen, next week, and I'll tell you something else that's mighty tasty and good for you to eat. So until next time, I'm Dr. Mr. Kitchen with a food tip for today.
not really. But I'm Oscar the Squirrel Montana. And I would like to read about this Dr. Mr. Keaton about his tips on squirrels' heads. Dear Dr. Mr. Keaton, first of all, squirrels' heads are not tasty. No, they're not. They are not tasty. As a matter of fact, most of the squirrels in my neighborhood say they like their heads not being tasted on. So look here, Dr. Mr. Kitchen. Why don't you try tasting on some pigeon heads? All pigeon heads are nice. So, leave the squirrels' heads alone, why don't you? Okay? Because if you don't, bam, zoom, right up to the moon. Yeah, that's right. I'm Oscar the Squirrel Montana saying, leave him alone.